It's always good being in a shop who knows the difference, especially when you have electric compressors, that you get OEM and it comes with the factory ND oil. So compared to the shops who like to get the cheap aftermarket condensers, another thing you don't have to worry about when you get OEM is when you get OEM, you get the OEM plastic clip that always breaks. And when you get some of the aftermarket plastic clips, they don't fit in, they pop out, or they don't fit right, or the guys can't get them in there and they end up using stuff like JB Weld. You seen my video where somebody had a problem with the aftermarket and they use JB Weld. So when you in a body shop doing insurance work, when you have one of these with electric compressors, don't send it down to the guy down the street to do the AC where he has one bottle of universal PAG oil. This takes POE oil, and stay away from the shops who use universal oil. See you guys later. High voltage electric compressors, only one oil to use.